This is the Fanttik S2 Pro, 3.7 volt. This is a new screwdriver from Fanttik. I really just wanted to see, like, is this a cool screwdriver that I can use? It's got a 5 volt, 2 amp, 2000 milliamp battery, torque settings, the NEX S2 Pro. I don't know, I just keep seeing these and I just love, it seems like their stuff looks cool, but is it powerful enough? Will this thing actually work? That's the real question. So I had to buy it to find out. I bought it, so you don't have to. You got a little manual, shows you all the screws you got. This is a heavy duty case. Like, that's pretty big. This is my hand. NES S2 Pro. I'll have a link down in the description if you do plan to buy this. Click that link, helps support the channel. Whoa, it opens up like in a little workstation. We've got the screwdriver here. What are these things? Little areas to store screws, potentially. Oh, we got a little charging, USB-A to USB-C. Not ideal. We've got all the different screws that you can see right there. An extender, too, if you're trying to install it in a small area. This is what the hand device looks like. And this is if you need a right angle. That's cool. We've got the max torque modes. And then you can go ahead and let's power this. Oh, whoa, there it goes. So now let's say I want to screw something in. Oh, these magnets aren't ideal. I'm trying to like grab it. This is what happens. Oh, there we go. Now we're going to put this in there and righty-tighty, lefty. It looks a little wobbly, but I think it could work. These are the sound levels. And you're like, all right, we're done. Screw it over. We're done. And that's it. This is what it kind of looks like. You got the USB-C on the bottom. You got some cool stuff. If you want to send me more, I'll make more videos about it. We'll test this in more depth. Let me know what questions you have down below. And whoa, it's got a little hole right there. So how does this work? You slide this in. Oh yeah, you can close it and still charge it through that hole right there. That is genius. Link down below, subscribe. Oh, now it's just, it's going. No, stop. Naughty. Make sure you face it upwards, I guess. There we go. Fanttik, subscribe, peace.